How to take a COVID-19 antigen home test. We are using the FlowFlex kit for this video, but there are multiple COVID-19 antigen home tests available. These are a few. Other kits may have slight variations in testing procedures, but the basic steps will be similar. Make sure you read the instructions for your particular test before you start. Your FlowFlex kit contains a test cassette, extraction buffer tube, disposable nasal swabs, instructions, and you will also need a timer of some kind. Preparation: wash or sanitize your hands and then make sure they are dry. Be sure to read the instructions before starting the test. Note: if you have any issues that make it difficult for you to self-administer the test, such as with dexterity or vision, you may want to ask a trusted person to assist you. Be sure that they also read the directions and follow safe handling precautions.
Hi, I'm Frances from SMART. I'm going to take you through the process of taking a COVID-19 antigen home test. I'm using the FlowFlex test kit. Your test kit might be different, so be sure to read the instructions that come with your kit, but the basic steps should be pretty similar. First, open the pouch and lay the test cassette on a clean, flat surface. Next, remove the foil from the top of the test tube. Then you're going to take the box, and you'll see that there's a little perforated oval on here. And what you're going to do is punch the bottom of the tube through that oval so that the box can serve as a stand for your tube. Then you're going to open the swab, starting at the stick end, and making sure that you don't touch the swab end. Next, you're going to collect your sample. If your age is 14 and up, you can do this on your own. If your child ages 2 to 13, you're going to need an adult to help you take this sample. So what you're going to do is insert the swab 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch into one nostril. And then firmly rub the swab in a circular motion around the wall of the nostril 5 times. And I'm just demonstrating how to do this, but you should take approximately 15 seconds doing this in each nostril. And once the 15 seconds is up, you're going to repeat in the other nostril. So again, 5 times, taking 15 seconds. Once that 15 seconds is up, you'll immediately place the swab in the tube and swirl for 30 seconds. Again, I'm just showing you how to do this, but make sure you do this swirling for a full 30 seconds. And once that 30 seconds is up, you're gonna squeeze the bottom of the tube and rotate the swab 5 times. And then while still squeezing the tube, you'll remove the swab and dispose of it in the trash. Once you've collected your sample, you can remove the tube from the stand, and you're going to attach the dropper tip to the top of the tube. You want to make sure that the solution in the bottom is thoroughly mixed. You can do this either by swirling the bottom of the tube or by flicking it. And then you're going to gently squeeze 4 drops into the sample well on your test cassette. It's the one marked with an S, and it might help to do this slowly. And once you've done that, you want to set your timer for 15 minutes or check on your watch or phone the time. You want to read the test 15 to 30 minutes after you've entered your sample in the sample well.
Result interpretation. A negative test will result in only the C line and not the T line appearing. A positive test will result in both the C line and the T line appearing. The T-line can be from bright red to very faint pink to be considered a positive test result. If the C-line fails to appear, the test is invalid and should be retaken. Dispose of the test components in the trash. You can recycle the box and instruction sheet. If you test positive, you should self-isolate and contact a healthcare provider for medical advice. If you don't have a healthcare provider, call 212-COVID-19, 212-268-4319. NYC provides care regardless of immigration status or ability to pay.